Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, as you can see, is 23 of the best Bible jokes and riddles. I found this website because I'm actually gonna post this as a side video. Not gonna be a main video. I think I'm actually gonna post this for Mighty Full Monday. I haven't decided yet, but if I do post it for Mighty Full Monday, hope you guys having a marvelous Monday. But if I do post it for Thursday, hope you guys having a really great Thursday. But today's video is going to be, as you can see, 23 of the best Bible jokes and riddles. I think what I'm going to do for Thursday's videos, I'm going to, since you guys really like the, what do we call it, the, Bible verses, the funny Bible verses, I went and I'm trying to find a couple more, so we can do that. But let's hop right into this video, and let's get started. Boop, 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 boop. Alright. First question is, why couldn't Jonah trust the ocean? Here's the answer. Because he knew there was something fishy about it. Alright, here's the second question. Who was the greatest financier in the Bible? Noah. He was floating his stock while everyone was in liquidation. Where was Solomon's temple located? On the side of his head. Where is the first tennis match mentioned in the Bible? When Joseph served in Pharaoh's court. What excuse did Adam give to his children as to why he no longer lived in Eden? Your mother ate us out of house and home. What did Adam say on the day before Christmas? It's Christmas Eve. How does Moses make his coffee? He brews it. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Why did Noah go fishing? Because he only had 2 worms. How do you know? Oh, gosh. Okay, I guess so. Okay. How do you know Peter was a rich fisherman? By his net income. Who were Gumby's favorite Bible characters? What? Who's Gumby? Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. What? I don't understand that one, guys. Okay, who was the smartest man in the Bible? Abraham, who knew a lot. Why didn't they play cards on the ark? Because Noah was standing on the deck. Who was the fastest runner in the race? Adam, because he was first in the human race. Why did the unemployed man get excited while looking through his Bible? He thought he saw a Job. What animal could Noah not trust? Cheetah. Oh, okay. Who was the greatest comedian in the Bible? Samson. He brought the house down. What kind of man was Boaz before he married? Ruthless. On the ark, Noah probably got milk from the cows. What did he get from the ducks? Quackers. Alright guys, I want to stop it right there, and we're going to hop on over to pickup lines. Alright, it says, here's a list of the 23 Christian pickup lines to bring a smile and a roll of the eyes that's so cheesy expression and some joy to your day. Number 1. Now I know why Solomon had 700 wives, because he never met you. How many times do I have to walk around you to make you fall for me? How would you like to join my purpose-driven life? Unfortunately, I can't perform miracles, and I've only got enough bread and fish for 2 people. I believe one of my ribs belongs to you. If we were around with Noah, then you and me. equal pair. Me and You equals Song of Songs, the remix. So last night I was reading the book of Numbers and I realized I don't have yours. I've actually heard that one before. That one's a really old one. I think I used that. I not really used it, but I think I did that once before. Somebody's playing around. Hey Will, I'm Will, God's Will. This one helps if your actual name is Will. I didn't know angels flew this low. Oh. Is it hot in here or is it just the Holy Spirit burning inside of you? Dying? Pause it right there and you can screenshot that, guys, if you want. Is your name Faith? Because you're the substance of things I've hoped for. Whoa. I didn't believe in predestination until tonight. Okay. Is it a sin that you stole my heart? I just want you to know I'm praying for you. No, I'm praying for you. I'm usually not very prophetic, but I can see us together. We talk a lot about being Spirit-led. Well, the Spirit led me straight to you. Is this transfiguration because you are glowing? Is that a thin line, duotone, compact, ESV travel Bible in your pocket? I'm interested in full-time ministry, and not only that, I also play the guitar. What? I have familiarized myself with all 5 love languages. In fact, I invented 4 of them. I mentioned you in my testimony. Hair is like a flock of goats. And then watch this Song of Song pickup lines. Guys, I'll drop the link if you guys want to see that. I'll drop the link in the comments, so look in the comments for that. Disclaimer. We would not recommend you trying these pickup lines to find a spouse, but if one of them worked, we think you deserve your own ad, just as if you met on eHarmony. Yes, that concludes today's video. If you didn't like today's video, leave a comment down below what you want to see next. Please subscribe, and when you subscribe, click that bell to be notified when I post new videos. And I hope you really enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for some bloopers. And have a blessed rest of your day. Well, guys, I guess that concludes today's video. Hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you didn't, I'm always open for suggestions. Leave a like down below. What? Annabelle could not trust. What? Whoa, okay, whoa, okay.